I'm at Horseshoe Bend, Page, Arizona. It's beautiful out here. It's an easy walk, about a 3/4 of a mile walk from the parking lot, but it is hot out here, even 7 o'clock at night, so you should always bring water with you, and it's a nice leisurely hike for a beautiful view. Let's take a look. Horseshoe Bend is aptly named. It's a horseshoe-shaped meander of the Colorado River in Glen Canyon, Arizona. Took some pictures here. Located adjacent to the huge mecca known as Page, Arizona. I'm in Page. Get out and see America, because we can't go a lot of other places right now. What are you gonna do?